Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnava.
Sleep.
Where's your town?
How many rose trees Jananda has?
108.
108. So at least 108 flowers she'll have daily. Yes. That is very nice. Our Hawaii place is also very nice.
Hawaii. They have a new place?
Yes.
Ah.
The place where now Govinda Das is staying is a very nice place. Just on the seaside, and the house is 2 stories, entire house 150. There is nice arrangement. So, you had any correspondence with her?
Little.
So what did she say?
Well, she said flowers weren't out yet, but that was months ago. We have some mail for you. One letter is from her with up-to-date news.
Some devotees are coming. And on Honolulu, 2 boys they are also doing. In Hawaii there are 2 branches.
Oh, really?
Yes. One at Honolulu, one at Kauai. Kauai. That island's name is Oahu. Hawaii has 5 islands, stretch. And this is called Oahu. Oahu Island, one side Honolulu and one side. This island means hill. And the value of the hills are utilized for this purpose. So all sides Pacific Ocean. And there is ample production of sugarcane and pineapple. I was chewing sugarcane as it is.
That's good.
Yes. And there is so many coconut trees, palm trees, and mango. In mango season, they throw out mango. So I have asked Govinda Das that you make mango pulp and dry it and send it. So they are doing nice, husband and wife. Yes, trying their best. I do not know whether they are working now.
Govinda Das is working.
Working. She can work, she can earn $400 at least.
Oh, typist?
Yes, she's a good typist.
We have one boy in Montreal, he said he wants to go to Florida the 1st of May. And he said he'll get his father's a real estate man. So he wants to get a job and then get a temple, and he wants someone to come there. He said me, preferably, he said.
All right.
So maybe somebody can do
This South, North Carolina,
Yeah,
they are also doing
So he wants to go to Palm Beach. Palm Beach is the richest
That's all right.
place in the country.
That's all right. So chant Hare Krishna and everything will be all right. In Boston again, Buffalo is also doing nice. Oh yes. The students are, educators are good. They are taking interest, both the boys and girls. And 3 meetings I attended. Every meeting was full. 200 boys and girls. They are dancing, chanting, asking very intelligent questions. And Rupanuga was holding class. There will be some examination of the students. He has set papers. Yes. some Indians are coming from long distance. One Indian gentleman, he came to see me from, what is that place? 92 miles away from Buffalo.
Did you see Melvani?
Eh?
Melvani?
Malwani is there, yes. He's there still. He's also very good. He was very nice in the temple.
Every day.
A very good man. Everyone will come to this Krishna consciousness will become good man. Even if he is a bad man. That is the influence of Krishna consciousness. Sarvaigunai tatra samasate sura. All godly qualities will develop in Krishna consciousness. That is the test. Now our students, nobody can compare with their behavior, with their character, with their emotion, everything. Nice. So you don't worry, simply go on chanting, everything is all right. Don't worry.
Sometimes I get concerned about temple affairs.
That's all
do it.
right. For the time being, you don't touch the chant and everything. And soon you'll be in good health. Then you again work. Yes. Sharadya, you are painting? No. All right, you finish your school. You are going to school?
Yes.
That's all. You are painting? That's all. You?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. Practice painting nicely. You will have required so many pictures. You can publish so many pictures. Work. You are not painting. You have no time to paint. You have got enough engagement. So, you can, so long you are here, you just show how to deity worship, how you are doing that, so they will learn. Yes. He is doing that very nice. Yes. So you can, all of you, all girls, you can, how she is doing. He is doing, temple worship.
Are you going to give us some more
No,
instructions?
in these days, temple worship is not recommended.
Not recommended?
No.
Or deity worship is temple worship?
Deity worship, because nobody can actually very nicely perform.
Mm-hmm.
This age is not suitable. You see. Temple worship, the regulation, the engagement, at least 4 or 5 men must always be engaged, always, 24
In
hours.
temple worship?
Yes.
In the temple?
We haven't got sufficient men, neither we can arrange such a way. Besides that, your previous culture and everything is completely different.
Mm-hmm.
So, in this says Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this sankirtana, Hare Krishna, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam. This is all done.
Because I was wondering...
But at the same time, if you can perform as far as possible, that's nice.
Right.
Deity worship. In this age, deity worship is secondary. Yes. Sankirtan is primary.
Does it matter who performs the deity worship? Does it matter? I mean, is it some particular person? With
Oh yes.
Who
That is
should
called
do it?
Archan Siddhi.
Who should do it?
Huh?
I mean, in the temple, who should do
Well, everyone should do it.
Everyone should
Yes,
take
everyone should
participate
learn.
to do it.
Everyone should learn. Sometimes somebody is doing something, somebody is doing something. Learn. Everyone should be expert in every respect. 26 qualifications. You have got car here? No.
No.
Nobody has got car amongst our disciples?
No.
Do you need a car from?
No, Because the temple is here, just in front. So what is your
I
plan?
found a place very likely for a new temple,
Ah,
and I've gone so far as the lawyer even drew up a lease. So maybe tomorrow you could look at it.
oh yeah. What is the description?
Very excellent location, right downtown.
Ah,
The things wrong with it are that the temple area is no bigger than the temple area we have now, but
location is
location is just the greatest.
right.
Second floor.
Second.
Still,
What
right
is the
downtown.
rent?
300 a month. But we can do it as long as presently Patita Pavana is working, and so am I. And sometimes the gopis get some money, so we wouldn't have any problem as long as Patita Pavana would continue to
Krishna
work.
will solve the problem. But the space is not lesser than this temple.
Well, the temple room is maybe even smaller than the present temple room, but then there's another large, very large room for a kitchen, and then another space for where bunks could be for sleeping. So there's actually 3 different spaces.
Oh,
The
that's
thing
all.
is that the main temple hall is not too large.
Oh, that's all right. That's all
Oh,
right.
okay.
You have to take sankirtan party. That should be the main business. At least 16 men, 4 mirangas. Practice miranga like that. And 12 cymbals. And 1 chanting and all other responding. It will be tremendous. Take some flags. ISKCON, Hare Krishna, flag, red flag. You see? And concert, Miranga. In New York they are doing now. They also one day collected $240 or something like that. What is that?
It's 247.
247. You see?
I'll try in Montreal. We have new devotees now, a lot of new boys.
Oh, you will get devotees.
Yeah.
You just begin sankirtan party, you will get many devotees. You see? Then in Los Angeles, daily the devotees meet with this kind. A very nice boy. We are not searching after a bigger place. Yeah. That temple is not sufficient. Although that is the biggest center of all our centers. It has got compound, it has got parking place, it has got very 2 big halls, 1 big room, 1 big kitchen, and 3, 4, 5 small rooms. Nice situation. It's just suitable for our purpose. And they decorate Jagannath very nicely. Yes. So increase centers and what is it? Name the boy who went to
Nandakishore?
Nandakishore.
Yeah.
He wants to open Toronto.
In Toronto. Toronto is a very good place.
So
To go.
let him open.
Let him go?
Yeah,
Okay.
why not?
But not alone.
Huh?
He needs someone else, I think.
Ah.
He needs 1 more boy. I don't think by himself he can do it.
That is arrange
Alright.
somebody to go.
Maybe you remember Mr. Saini in Montreal? You remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, he approached me just recently. He wants to open a store, Indian store. It's good. And he wants the boys in the temple to work there. And he wants to make some arrangements so the temple will get some money.
He is very cunning man.
Yeah, I know. He's not. I don't trust him at all. So maybe I shouldn't
He
deal with
wants
him.
to utilize our men.
Yeah. Don't deal with him, eh? Yeah, that's what I thought.
He wants a cheap
Yeah,
cheap
he's a
price.
cheat.
I don't believe all these Indians.
Me neither.
They have come here to beg, to make money. You
Yeah.
see, their mentality cannot be good.
Oh, I have a letter for you from Gopal Krishna. So I
Gopal
won't
Krishna
deal
is good
with.
boy.
He's very nice. Oh, he's getting so nice.
Yeah.
He wants to come.
Because he's serving.
He lives in our house now.
He lives with us now.
Ah,
He lives in our house. You know, we have another house.
ah,
the whole house and almost everyone now is devotee there.
That's nice.
When they're eating prasadam.
Gopal Krishna is very nice. Why?
lives there.
You give him
Yeah.
good protection and he'll turn very good help. Sevan, this Krishna consciousness can be, I would say, appreciated only by service. There is no other way. Sevanmukhi jiva. You cannot catch Krishna by any way, by your riches, by your beauty, by your beauty. He excels everything. How you can make him under your control? You can simply make him under your control by service, as the gopis did. Yes. What is there? Prasad? I think I cannot take any. All right, I can take some.
Devotees have prasad all the temple. It's ready.
They can take. They can go.
Okay.